You can go your own way. You can call it under a lonely day.
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. In the last vlog, I baked a couple of coffee cakes and that has been my obsession lately. Another couple of obsessions of mine lately have been our homegrown tomatoes as well as an iced latte made at home. I've also loved making matcha at home because matcha is truly my comfort drink. If I were to pick any kind of drink to relax with after a long day of teaching or editing vlogs, it would 100% be a matcha latte. You just whisk up your matcha with some hot water, put it in the frother with some milk, and voila, it is an amazing matcha latte. We also went out for food for date night when we got back home, and I've been trying to eat more protein lately, but as you guys can see, I'm horrible at cooking eggs. Like, what is that even?
Having the time of her life, there in her glittering from the light.
So this is a cucumber from our garden. I'm gonna have a little piece of toast with cucumber, maybe tomato, because I also got tomatoes from our garden, but I'm just gonna have this with hummus, some cucumber. Like I said, I'm just gonna make a piece of toast, maybe with some hummus and olive oil and balsamic, but these are the tomatoes from our garden I just picked this morning. I'm so excited to try them. I definitely put on too much balsamic, but I'm excited to try it.
There is nothing quite like going to HomeSense or Winners, doing some fall decor shopping with a pumpkin spice latte and just enjoying all of the Halloween and fall and even some of the Christmas decorations already out. During August, I really tried to use all of my time to really just be social and enjoy social time with my loved ones, because I know when I get back into school and back into teaching, I will be so busy with work and school. So Saturday morning, my friend Amber and I went on a hike and then a little walk to grab some coffee and go shopping with Elsa. And then Monday, I went to Ottawa. First stop was Toronto. I went to Toronto via GO train, and then I went over to Ottawa via train. If you guys have seen my Toronto vlogs before, you know I love Deneen's. They are the GOAT in terms of coffee in Toronto. It is really fun to walk around Toronto and just remember and reminisce all the times that I spent here. I actually lived here for 6 years because I went to Canada's National Ballet School, and I also lived here afterwards during my post-secondary program at the ballet school. So it's always fun to come back. I went to Lululemon because I wanted to get a couple tops that fit better, because my Align tanks I find are just too small now. I've grown out of them. I did some more cruising around Eaton Centre, and then I actually went to Canada's National Ballet School because I had to go to the showroom to buy a couple of things, including ballet shoes. I also bought a leotard that was on sale. I'll have to show you guys in the next vlog because I totally forgot to show you guys in this vlog. I stopped for lunch at Loblaws and then got some David's tea for the road, and the rain was such a vibe going over to Ottawa in the Via train. I did get some food on the train. It was delicious. It was like this vegan salad bowl, and then when I got to Ottawa, it was so late at night. I just crashed in bed right away. This was my room. Good morning, guys. It is, I think it's August the 13th, August the 14th, maybe? August the 13th, definitely. This was the hotel room I stayed in last night. I'm staying in it again tonight because I'm teaching at a studio near Ottawa. I'm super excited. This is the fit. I'm wearing my Royal Ballet t-shirt, some leggings. I also got some new ballet shoes last night because mine had a hole. Because I was like, I want to wear ballet shoes during this, you know, because usually at the studio that I teach at, I wear socks because I teach ballet almost every day and I can't afford to be buying ballet shoes every few months. So I got a new pair because I figure I want to put my best foot forward at the fresh start of the year, as well as when I'm teaching at intensives. So I got some new ballet shoes. I'm gonna do my makeup now. Had a shower, and I'm just gonna go really light with the makeup today because I'm gonna be dancing until 3. It's currently 8 o'clock. I think I'm leaving at 8:45, so I have time. So I'm just gonna do my makeup really quick. I also got these bun pins from the showroom yesterday, and I had so much fun in Toronto. I'll just tell you guys about it when I get back to the hotel room. My train was super late. I took the train in because it was actually cheaper than driving. Driving would have costed me more with gas, parking, etc., tolls. So I took the train in, and it was like stress-free. It was really nice, but the train got in really
really late last night. So yeah, I slept really great. But let's do some makeup. So I left you guys while I was doing my makeup. I just got back to the hotel and I'm doing some homework, some schoolwork. I made my first David's tea that I got since I went to David's Tea. I made the orange pico. I'm just using the cups that are in the room, and I used the coffee machine just to brew the hot water. And it's really nice. It's 5 o'clock, so I ordered some Uber Eats as well because I had some lunch that was ordered to the studio, which was really, really sweet and really nice. Yeah, I ordered some dinner and I'm gonna do my schoolwork and studying because I'm behind.
So I was in Ottawa because I was teaching at a dance studio, actually in Canada, and every night that I came home before going back, I just worked on some choreography and I also worked on some class plans. Here's me just reviewing one of the combos that I taught earlier in the summer that I ended up teaching the following morning. I was there for 2 days. After spending 2 days in Ottawa, I went back to Toronto and I was supposed to meet my mom for her birthday in the Fairmount, Royal York. She sadly didn't make it, and I forget if I go into that later in the vlog, but anyways, I still needed a place to stay, so I ended up staying in the Fairmount, Royal York. It was beautiful, luxurious, and a really nice place for me to lay my head down after a few days of traveling where I was very, very tired.
I'm at the Royal York. I just had a shower, hence the reason my makeup's like super smeared. I need to rinse off my makeup, but it's super nice. I go home tomorrow, so I'm just spending one night here. But what a luxurious stay. How nice to spend even just one night. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair, rinse off my makeup. It's past midnight, I think. I think it's actually close to midnight, maybe like 11:30. So I'm going to blow dry my hair and watch some Ginny and Georgia. Catch you guys in the morning because my favorite coffee spot is Deneen on near Queen and King West. I think it's on Richmond. Because that's my favorite coffee spot, I'm going to go there tomorrow morning first thing and get my usual, and then I'll probably just come back to the hotel, honestly, because it's so nice and I never stay in places this nice. Aside from when I went to London with my mom, that hotel was also really nice. So I figured I just want to use the room, go in the pool and enjoy. Oh, the squeaky sound towels. Oh my god, these towels even smell nice. That train ride really did a number on me, didn't it? Need some cleansing foam. Where's my moisturizer? What the heck? I guess we have a toner as well. But we have another foam cleansing thing. But we don't have... Maybe I left it in the hotel room. Hopefully not. Morning, guys. So we're here at the Royal York, Fairmount, Royal York, Fairmont. Anyways, we're here. It's like 7:30. I can't sleep in, so we're just gonna start the day. I'm going to, I think, go grab coffee somewhere, and then probably use the pool and swim, and then head home because honestly, I've been out and about and away since Tuesday, and it's Friday, so I'm itching to go home. It's been a lovely stay. This robe is very comfy. The room is super nice. I'll show you guys again in the light. So we've got the bedroom here. Again, super nice. The view in the daytime is nice. It's like sparkly almost because of all the buildings. You can see Union Station's over there. I apologize for my groggy morning self. I'm not a morning person, but that's Union Station. CN Tower's over that way, so I don't have a view of it, but I'll probably see it this morning. I did see it when I came in last night, and I regret not taking a video of the lights all lit up. The closet, once again. We've got this room, super nice, and the exit. Yeah, so on that note, like I said, I'm going to go get a coffee, wake myself up. I slept really well. Oh, it's just cold. I feel like hotel rooms are always cold, and I never pack right for it because I try to pack light all the time, so I just had like a nightgown. It was freezing, but that's my bad. So anyways, I'm gonna go get coffee, then come back, probably use the pool, and then head home. Change of plans. I am opting to go to the pool first. I want to swim and see if I can catch the earlier train just to get home sooner. I forgot a bathing suit which is quite silly of me. So I have a leotard, which works perfectly. So let's go swimming, and there's also a sauna, and hopefully there's a hot tub.
I was honestly really sad that my mom couldn't make it, especially since it was on her birthday and it was supposed to be a trip together, but she actually had a kidney stone last minute, so she couldn't make it. She is better, and the hospital took such great care of her, which was another reason I just wanted to get home as soon as possible, because it all happened the night before and it was too last minute to catch any trains beforehand leaving Ottawa, so I ended up getting the very first one that I could, leaving Toronto in the morning after I went for a brief hot tub stay in the hotel. Goodbye room. A&W night. Got the... Another fun thing that happened on the weekend that I got back was the Harry Potter Festival, and I go every single year, and every single year it does not disappoint. It is so worth the drive up to go see this Harry Potter Festival because there's so many vendors, there's so many people dressed up, there's so many people celebrating it, and there's so many fun activities for families, for kids, for adults. Basically anybody that loves the magical wizarding world.
Baby, just give me one reason. Oh, and if it's one reason.
It's a half
Change the way that I feel. You can go your own way. Go your own way.
Not everything looks like me, Steve. Thanks. What are those called
That's
again?
based on the Eagle horse, and then a griffin is
Or lion.
eagle lion.
Harry Potter. Harry Potter. Oh, I've actually got Harry. Nice.
Another thing I did when I got home was rehearse for a talent show. I did this talent show in the last couple of years. I think I only ever did it once, actually. So I did it last year. Sadly, spoiler alert for the next vlog, I did not do the talent show. You want to know why? Because I left all of my dance stuff back at home. But you know what? That's okay, because I enjoyed the weekend so thoroughly and it was so memorable. And Steve and I had a great time at Two Islands weekend. I posted about it on my Instagram. And if you're not following me on Instagram, my handle is JASSOME. I post there nearly every single day. And my TikTok, I definitely post every single day. It's JASSOME. So definitely follow me there if you're not following me already, because I do post more frequently than I do on here. But anyways, like I said, I was rehearsing for that show at the studio. Sadly, this did not make it to stage. I was going to do it on point as well, but I just need to like try it out. You know what I mean? I don't know what I'm doing here, honestly. I think I'm just trying to get a thumbnail or something. I'm just kind of sitting here stretching my legs and I don't know, but I was done and dusted. I was ready to go home. And lately my obsession, aside from the other obsessions I talked about earlier, was having a relaxing bubble bath because, as you guys know, I love bubble baths. I love self-care. I love wellness. But I recently splurged on bath bombs. And a lot of my bath bombs are very exciting, and I've been posting about them on social media, again on my Instagram and my TikTok, because some of my bath bombs actually have like little fidgets on the inside. This was not one of them. This one was just sparkly and How to Train Your Dragon toothless version. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an incredible rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.